More. You got it. Hit that booty. Kick it. Pump it forward, right into it. Big booty B. All right. We start stepping right, stepping left. All right, this kind of step touch. But, all right, we evolve that thing and we get low with it. Okay? And if you have some room, come forward with it. Yeah? And you're going to move your pelvis at the same time. So if I'm coming this way and you see from the side, pop, walk it, walk it, walk it like a dog, walk it like a dog. Okay? So you're doing that, but you're also giving me that pump. You are just throwing that body, okay? Now, up to you what you have room for, your modification, but that's the move. Then you're gonna step out, cross, 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 cross. You can stay in place or you can move with it, depending on your space and your level. All right? Now, if we're progressed level, we're gonna jump and jack, jump and jack, jump and jack, jump and jack. All right? So, the move is pump, 2, 3, 4, and jumping jack backwards. Move it if you can. But if you don't have no space, of course you stay in place. So, I keep changing the hands up and down. It really doesn't matter. You can cross front the whole time. You can cross under. You can switch. Doesn't really change the move, okay? So that's on you as a viewer. Next move. There's only 2 sections with this one. You're gonna put your weight on that other side and you're gonna kick the butt and give me like a little bounce, okay? So kick, 2, 3, 4. Smack the butt, it comes in a circle, it comes up top, and then you kick forward, working that kick one more time. Then you do the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, smack. You can add a jump, and let's keep it consistent with the right or the left. Whatever leg you choose, stick to that leg. I find it easier. But if you're like, girl, I got it, switch right and left, because that works too. I give you options. So one more time, I'm just gonna mark it, okay, because we be low. 3, 4, cross, 4. So you can modify it by just going here if you're not a jumper. All right, so you do 4 of those. Let's say we did 4, and then we go here. Kick, 2, 3, 4, smack, 2, 3, 4, right, left. Now, if you want, you can go left to right, but it might be easier to stick to the same leg. But it works. You see, I just switched my leg. And those are the moves. 4 of each. And I think we do it rotating 3 times. But follow me. Let's get it, y'all. We did this one last week. So, you should kind of be familiar with it. So remember, you gotta pump it, okay? Use your body with it. Here we go. 7, 8, and step. 2, 3, 4. Cross and jump. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Cross. There we go. 2 more. Maybe we hear. Put some flavor to it. You can kind of lean with it. You can lean with it, rock with it. Hey. All right, now kick that butt. Hey. 3, 2, 1. Kick it. Other way. Hey. Smack it. Kick it. Again. You got it. Shake for me. There you go. One more. You got it. Hit that booty. Kick it. Pump it forward, right into it. Cross it. Yes. Come on. Work it. Push it. 2 more. Come on, jacuzzi. Yes. Yes. Hey. Now kick that butt. Come on, big booty baby. Smack it. Kick it. Again. Hey. Again. You got it. Hey. I think I'm gonna kick left on this one. Now pump it forward. Woo! Okay, give me a pose. Queens. Queens of the power twerk.